Friends, today I'm going to introduce you to the DeWALT 173 toolkit, and it cost $199 in Australia, and it has a full lifetime warranty that's given by DeWALT. As you know, the DeWALT brand is famous for its quality and toughness, and I have already taken off the cardboard cover on it, and it has this sturdy box that comes with the DeWALT logo. It is nice looking and strong. It has two clip-ons. It's easy to carry the box to your work site, and once you open it, you will see the nice shiny tools that DeWALT gives us a lifetime warranty on it. And we have all sorts of sockets. We also have Allen keys and also have a changing screwdriver and all kinds of sockets. So I found it very nice to handle and very strong and durable to feel, and it all has this DeWALT quality guaranteed, and they will replace it in its lifetime. That's what they say on the brochure, and the protective case that you can find inside this box.